Study the following information and answer the given questions. Among the 5 persons, Damini, Gautam, Helen, Maria and Pankaj are having different heights. Helen is taller than Damini but shorter than Maria. Gautam is shorter than only Pankaj. The second shortest person's height is 148 centimeters and the second highest person's height is 175 centimeters. Solution. Let us solve this problem with the help of given information. In this question, they given that there are 5 persons who are Damini, Gautam, Helen, Maria and Pankaj. Here, they are having different heights. And they given that Helen is taller than Damini but shorter than Maria. That means Helen's height is greater than Damini and less than Maria. So, it can be represented like this. Maria is taller than Helen and Helen is taller than Damini. And it is also given that Gautam is shorter than only Pankaj, which means Gautam's height is less than Pankaj's height but more than the remaining person's height. So, we can conclude as Gautam is second tallest person and Pankaj is tallest person among all 5 persons. So, with the help of all information, the diagram can be represented as Pankaj is taller than Gautam, Gautam is taller than Maria, Maria is taller than Helen and Helen taller than Damini. In this question, they given that second shortest person's height is 148 centimeters. From the diagram, we know that second shortest person is Helen. So, his height is 148 centimeters and it is also given that second highest person's height is 175 centimeters. From the diagram, we know that second highest person is Gautam. So, his height is 175 centimeters. This is the final diagram. Pankaj is taller than Gautam and Gautam is taller than Maria. Here, Gautam's height is 175 centimeters. Maria is taller than Helen and Helen is taller than Damini. Here, Helen's height is 148 centimeters. Let us see the problems on this diagram. Question 1. Who among the following is the shortest? The options are Helen, Damini, Pankaj, Gautam, none of these. Let us see the solution. From this diagram, it is clear that Damini is the shortest person among 5. So the answer is option B, Damini. Question 2. Who among the following person's height may be 165 centimeters? The options are A. Pankaj, B. Damini, C. Maria, D. Can't be determined, E. None of these. Let us see the solution. From this diagram, it is clear that 165 centimeters is the middle of 175 centimeters and 148 centimeters. And the only person in between Gautam and Helen is Maria. So, the answer is option C, Maria. Dear students, note this point that in the above question, they mentioned the term maybe. If that term is not there, then the answer is cannot be determined. Because in the question, they did not give any clues to find the person's height. So, the answer should be can't be determined. Question 3. What could be the height of Pankaj? The options are A. 142 centimeters, B. 155 centimeters, C. 171 centimeters, D. 174 centimeters and E. none of these. Let us see the solution. From the final diagram, it is clear that the height of the Pankaj should be greater than 175 centimeters because we know that second highest person Gautam's height is 175 centimeters. In these given options, all are less than 175 centimeters. So, the answer is option E, none of these.